Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy to have you here with us today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Davis. On this channel, we help you speak and understand English naturally. We want to make English fun and easy for you.
If you like our videos, please click the like button and subscribe. It really helps us a lot.
Today, we have a very important topic. I think every English student has this problem. It is about understanding fast English.
Oh, yes, the fast English problem. You know this feeling, right? You learn English in school. Your teacher speaks very slowly and clearly. She says, "Hello, how are you?"
And you understand 100%. You feel happy. You think, my English is great.
But then you turn on the TV, you watch an American movie, or you meet a person from London or New York, and they don't say, "How are you?" They say, "How you doing?"
How you doing? It sounds like one long, crazy word, and you feel confused. You think, why are they speaking so fast? Why can't I understand?
Don't worry, you are not alone. This happens to everyone. Today, Davis and I will explain why this happens, and we will give you simple tools to fix it.
The first secret is very surprising. Are you ready? The secret is native speakers do not speak faster than you.
Really? It sounds very fast to me.
It sounds fast, but it is not about speed. It is about connection. We connect our words together.
Imagine a chain. You know, a metal chain. Every piece connects to the next piece. English sentences are like a chain. We do not stop between words.
Exactly. In some languages, you say word, stop. But in English, if one word ends with a sound and the next word starts with a sound, we glue them together.
Let's give a simple example. Davis, look at the phrase, "stop it."
Okay, a robot says stop, it. Two sounds. But a real person connects the P to the I. We say stop it.
Stop it. It sounds like one word. Let's try another one. Wake up.
The K moves to the U. We say wake up, like a cup for coffee. Wake up.
So when you hear wake up, your brain is looking for wake and up, but your ears hear a new word. That is why it is difficult.
So rule number 1, don't listen for separate words. Listen for the whole sound.
Now, let's talk about the second reason. We call this lazy English.
Hey, I am not lazy.
Your mouth is lazy, Davis. In English, we want to save energy, so we change some sounds to make them easier. We call this reduction.
Ah, yes, this is very common. The most famous examples are gonna and wanna.
Students learn, "I am going to go," but in real life, we say, "I'm gonna go."
Or I want to eat. In real life, we say I wanna eat.
Let's practice a conversation. Davis, invite me to the cinema. Use textbook English first.
Okay. Sarah, do you want to go to the cinema?
That is very clear. Now use real, fast English.
Sarah, wanna go to the cinema?
Did you hear that? Wanna go. It is very short, and sometimes we cut even more. Listen to this question. What are you doing?
In fast English, it becomes whatcha doing.
Whatcha means what are you? So if you learn these short forms, you will understand much more.
There is another special sound in English. It is the most common sound. It is a very small, short sound. It sounds like
We call this the schwa. In fast English, many vowels, A, E, I, O, U, turn into this sound.
For example, the word today. We don't say today with a long O, we say today.
Or the word tonight. We say tonight. Or tomato. We say tomato.
This makes the word sound faster. If you try to hear today, you might miss it. Listen for today.
Okay, so we have connections and we have lazy sounds. Now, Davis, let's talk about the music of English.
Yes, English is like music. It has a beat, like a drum. Da, 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 da.
In English, some words are loud and long, and some words are quiet and short.
The important words, like nouns and verbs, are loud. The small grammar words, like to, a, the, of, are quiet.
So let's look at this sentence. I bought a car for my mother.
The important words are bought, car, mother.
The small words are I, a, for, my. So Davis, say it naturally.
I bought a car for my mother.
Do you hear the rhythm? Da, 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 da.
If you only listen to the loud words, bought, car, mother, you understand the story. You don't need to hear the small words.
That is a great tip. Stop worrying about the small words. Focus on the big, loud words.
Now, Sarah, I have a question for you. When you listen to English, do you translate it into your own language in your head?
Oh, that is a big problem. Many students do this. They hear dog and they think of the word for dog in their language.
This is very bad for understanding fast English. Why? Because translation is slow.
Imagine your brain is a computer. If you have to translate every word, your computer will freeze. It is too much work.
You need to learn to think in pictures.
Yes, let's try an experiment. Close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
I say the word apple. Davis, did you see the letters A-P-P-L-E, or did you see a red fruit?
I saw a delicious red fruit.
Good. That is thinking in English. When you hear a word, try to see the picture immediately. Do not translate.
This takes practice, but start with simple words. When you see a table, think table. Don't think of the word in your language.
Now we have some tools to help you practice at home, because listening is a skill. Like playing football or playing the piano, you must practice.
My favorite tool is YouTube, but you must use it the right way. We call it the sandwich method.
I love sandwiches. How does it work?
Okay, a sandwich has 3 layers: bread, meat, bread.
Okay, what is the first layer of bread?
Step 1, watch a short video without subtitles. No text, just listen. Try to guess the main idea.
This is hard.
Yes, but it is good for your brain. It makes your brain work. Then, step 2, the meat. Watch the video again with subtitles.
Ah, now I can check. I can see the new words. I can see how words connect.
Exactly. You learn in this step. And finally, step 3, the last piece of bread. Watch it again without subtitles.
This time, your ears know what to listen for. You will understand much more. It feels like magic.
Please try the sandwich method. Do it with a short video, maybe just 1 or 2 minutes. Don't do it with a whole movie. You will get tired.
And finally, we have one more super technique. It is called shadowing.
Shadowing is like being a parrot. You know the bird, the parrot? It repeats everything.
In this exercise, you listen to a speaker and you repeat exactly what they say, but you must copy their speed and their music.
Don't just read the words. Copy the emotion. Copy the melody.
Let's practice together right now. I will say a sentence. Davis, you shadow me, and you, listening at home, please shadow us too.
I am ready.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Good. Now faster. I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Did you hear how happy and see were loud? Let's try one more. What are you doing later?
Whatcha doing later?
Yes, use the whatcha. Whatcha doing later?
Whatcha doing later?
Perfect. If you do this for 5 minutes every day, your mouth will get faster and your ears will get better.
So let's review what we learned today. Fast English is not just speed, it's about connections and music.
Don't listen for every word. Listen for the loud words.
Don't translate, think in pictures.
Use the sandwich method with your videos.
And practice shadowing to train your mouth and ears.
Remember, be patient with yourself. You are like a baby learning to walk. It takes time.
Don't give up. Every day you get a little bit better. Celebrate your small wins.
We want to know, what is the hardest English phrase for you? Is it water? Is it comfortable? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your comments.
Thank you for studying with us today. You are doing a great job.